Ring cell radiation filling marking teaching. 1. Circular ring radiating fill marking. 1.1 Click the CAD icon, select the vector image stored in the computer DEX for custom position, lower left corner XOYO, zoom ratio 1, original object, OK. 1.2 Select unnecessary primitives and press del to delete them. After deleting the primitives, select all the remaining primitives, right-click, and combine them. 1.3 Check lock aspect ratio, adjust the pixel size, modify the width or height of the pixel. The origin of the workpiece of this machine is in the lower left corner, so choose the lower left corner as the displacement reference point. Modify the position X and position Y coordinates to 0, and the set O here is the origin position of the workpiece set in the previous step. 1.4 Flying marking setting, Open tool flying marking setting check enable, marking range setting value should be less than or equal to the length of the distortion correction side, set the free running speed to 15,000 mm per minute, set the axial acceleration and deceleration distance between 0.53 mm. Check switch to time base and simulation check, and do not need to check others. 1.5 Fill parameter settings, select primitives, click on object parameter settings, select fill outline, select bidirection check fulfill cross blocks fixed egg, and leave all others unchecked. The scanning angle is generally set at 0 degrees. If you want to adjust the starting position of the ring processing, you can adjust the scanning angle. After modification, you can see that the red dot in the starting position in the figure has also moved. The angle is calculated counterclockwise. Set the pitch according to the process needs, generally set between 0.03–0.08 mm. The ring needs to be checked fixed egg. If the ring is not a uniform ring, there are changes in width and narrowness, resulting in poor processing effect. You can check radial uniform fill, so that the processing will be more uniform, but the disadvantage is that the processing efficiency will be reduced. 1.6 Advanced setting, select the pixel, click Object Parameter Setting, select Advanced, Specify Mode, select Specify Simultaneous Movement, check the line, accommodate distance 1 mm. 1.7 Laser param, setting, set the appropriate processing speed, power, frequency and pulse width. Delay parameters can be 020, 10, 20, 10, 1. 1.8 After completing the setting, observe the prompt window in the lower left corner. If the line filling calculation is not in progress, it indicates that the software has completed processing. You can click Send File Start Marking. If the line filling calculation is in progress, you need to wait for the calculation to be completed. Machine processing display. 2. Square ring processing. The steps are basically the same as the ring processing, however, when the square ring sets the pitch, fixed egg cannot be checked. Machine processing display.